Alright, we're back to do a little more Common Core Geometry, Module 5, Lesson 1. We'll do exercise 2 on page 15, also using the GeoGebra. I think it'll be a lot easier without anything cluttering up our picture. Alright, so the toughest thing for this one is, again, to draw it. So we need 18-degree angle, a 26-degree angle, a circle. So let's start out with the circle. That's going to be good for a circle. I'm going to go to options, and I'm going to turn labeling off, new points only, so I don't have to worry about these things. I will hide a couple things while we're here, though. Alright, so we also need a point D on the circle, so it should be easy enough. Let's grab a point, put it here. I'm just going to call it D, because I think that really will be D. A is the center, which is fine. And let's go ahead and create an angle from A to D that is up to somewhere near B over here for 18 degrees. So I'm going to go to this angle measuring tool, and the second choice there is angle with given size. So I want to go from point A to point D, and we need it to be 18 degrees. Let's see how that goes. That looks pretty good. Alright, so to actually connect it up, I need to, I guess, draw a ray from here through point that it just created and find where it intersects the circle. So let's use that. So I'll start here, and we'll go through this point. I'll find my intersect point, and this is actually B according to the picture. So let's just go ahead and start fixing some points that way. I'm just going to name this one Q or something for now, and I will hide it in a little bit. This one we will name B. Maybe we'll even connect up some line segments and hide some things. So change this to the segment tool. Change this over to the hide tool. Because we don't really need to see this ray. We don't need to see this point. We don't need to see this point. And let's go ahead to the segment tool and make some of these. So from point A to D, and here to here. So far we have a couple lines. This is point D. I'll pull the label around so we can see it a little easier. Alright. We also want to get BC as a diameter. So if we draw from B to A to wherever C is over here, that should work. Let's grab a ray tool. Let's go from here through A. Find that point where it meets over here on the circle. It is C, so that is good. We'll move the label down out of the way a little bit. We'll do another one of these hides. So hide that line. Go back to the segment tool. And we'll just go ahead and connect that diameter up. Okay, so far looking pretty good. Looks like we got one more angle, 26 degrees, so we can find point E over here. So 26 degrees off of that. So we'll use this angle tool again. We'll go from A or C, doesn't matter, over to B. We need 26 degrees. Alright, looks good. Use this ray tool one more time. Here through here. Use the point tool or intersect tool, but we'll do the shortcut. What's to call that point E? It is point E, so that is good. We'll do one more hide of this and this point. And then we'll do a segment. Connect this up. So now we have BE, and I think we need one more. We need AE. Alright, so the toughest thing for this one was really setting up the problem. So once we have that, it asks us to find a few angles. Angle DAB, we can do that with the measuring tool. Angle DAB, I think I have to measure it this way. So well, I'll go to BAD. Tells me it's 144 degrees. BAE, AE. All right, we could do that. I think we have to measure it this way, maybe. So we still have the measuring tool selected. All right, good. 128 degrees. And then DAE. And I think we measure it this way. 88 degrees. And that completes problem 2. I think we might even be able to move some things around. I'm not sure. So depending, basically how we set it up, some things are not movable. I guess that one's about it. All right, so anyway, that's the end of this problem, and we'll be back with another one soon.